Good afternoon, everybody. I have a $290 put chart. 99% of you option traders, yeah, you want to trade options and whatnot. You've never seen a put chart or a call chart. 99% of you haven't, let alone even know how to work one. Right down here, our entry was at 520. We were out at $17. And we had 10 contracts right here. 10,500 profit intraday. No matter what you say. You know what you guys need to do, man? I bring you this live intraday, and I make these kind of profits. And this is the put chart, and this is the entry. We've been trading Netflix since Wednesday when it reported its earnings. We had the 310 puts, we had the 300s, we had the 290s. Today, right here, yesterday, they were $4 man. And this is a $290 put chart with hourly candles. And it's right here. There is the proof. There is the evidence. If you want to make a lot of money and you want to learn the things about option markets that you don't know, and there is a lot. Your retail model, Digma, Gamma, Thea, blah, 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 blah. They ain't going to get you nowhere. And you know it. If you're tired of your results, take responsibility. Over here, this is a daily chart, and Amazon tanked $17.58 today. On Thursday, yesterday, we had the 310 puts and the 300, and it sold down. And then today, the selling continued. That earnings report wasn't no good, and it wasn't. And there's still more downside to come. Daily chart right here, here and now. You heard me. I'm not joking. I said here and now. No, we give you the free 5-day trial. We're in the earnings season. We got over 100 companies coming out again next week. The Dow got slammed. Volatility is here. It's not going to go away. But you don't know how to deal with volatility. You don't know how to deal with the call chart or a put chart or mathematical spreads that are totally different. But you trade options based on what? What if? Oh, I read something on the internet. Oh, no wonder you get the goddamn results that you get. Period. The proof is here, intraday. Why don't you take responsibility for yourself and start making money? We got 30 years at doing it. We're market makers. We're not retail option traders. Period. We have all the results there on YouTube. When are you going to wake up? And when are you going to see the real truth? And when are you going to take accountability for you? And when do you want to get profits? And a lot of them. Every single day of the week. Every day. Learn how to use call charts, put charts. And there's a whole lot of other things that go involved with the market maker. The low of the option, $5. Yeah, right here. The high of the option, 1720. 10 contracts, make you 10,500 in a day. You looking for that? Then get here now before I change my mind. I bring it to you. I bring you stuff that you've never seen, things that option traders don't know what is really going on, and you just sit there in your little retail world, going down your little retail programs, but at the end of the day, guess what? You don't make it in the option pit, and I know it. I've been around. I've seen guys like you for 30 years. I know what your result is. At the end of the day, you'll just keep doing the same old crap until what? Until you don't have any money left. That's exactly where you'll go. Anyway, very nice move. The earnings was a bogus earnings report. They really missed the earnings is what they really did. They jacked it. We made, I don't know what it was, probably right around $25,000 profit in our trades in the last 2 days. On what? Netflix. Daily chart. Daily earnings pop. Daily reversal. What do I have? A 290 put chart. Probably never seen one, let alone know how to use it. But you want to trade options, don't you? Based on what? Based on speculation, based on what if, based on, oh, what should I do, based on you're full of nothing but uncertainty when it comes to this volatility, pal. And I already know what your end result's going to be. If you'd like to get in on the free 5-day trial, you would like to make money with us and our entry and our exits and have a lot of fun, then you could turn this around. You could turn your world around. That is, if who knows why with retail people and whatnot always do the same old stupid crap.